Amazon just announced plans to launch a brand new discount store. This isn't just any store, it's a strategic move to compete heads-on with the likes of Temu and Shein. These companies have been dominating the discount space with their rock bottom prices on fashion and lifestyle items. So what's Amazon's game plan? Let's break it down. First, Amazon is setting up a storefront focused on low-cost apparel, home goods, and other lifestyle items. Think unbranded but high-quality products, allegedly, many priced under $20. They're partnering with Chinese sellers to ship products directly to US consumers. This means cheaper prices for us and faster market testing for them. Win-win, right? This move is Amazon's most aggressive yet to fend off Temu and Shein. They're planning to start accepting products this fall, and we could see these budget-friendly items popping up on Amazon's site soon after. But why is Amazon doing this? Well, simply put, they want to stay on top. Temu and Shein have been growing rapidly in the US, attracting shoppers with their unbeatable prices. By shipping directly from China, Amazon can cut costs and offer similar deals. This isn't just about low prices. It's about changing how we shop. Amazon is experimenting with small batch productions similar to Shein's on-demand manufacturing. This allows sellers to test new products without committing to large inventories. Smart, right? So what does this mean for us, the consumers? Well, more choices, better prices, and perhaps a new way to shop our favorite item. Imagine getting trendy fashion and cool gadgets at a fraction of the cost delivered straight to your door. What do you think? Is Amazon's new discount store a game changer, or are you excited to see how it stacks up against Temu and Shein? Drop your thoughts on the comments below, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Xena Insider for more updates and from the world of e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.